उनतालीस, अड़तीस, 16, 48, 32, 2, 6, 14, 16, 3, 48 प्लस 16, 64, 12, 16, 4, 28, 16 इंटू 12 डिवाइड बाई 4, इसमें 32 माइनस 16 तो ये 16, तो ये 2 हो सकता है। 12 डिवाइड 32 प्लस 8 माइनस 16 4, 6, 14 माइनस 16, ये नहीं हो सकता। 16 इंटू में 12, 8 और 16, सॉरी 8 इंटू में 12 डिवाइड बाई 4, 24 प्लस में 16 माइनस 8, ये होगा। 5 friends sitting around a circle to be facing outside the center. Rita sits again to the left of Nalini, Rita. Susmita sits to the right, and who sits immediately left of Anup. Sonali sits immediately left of Anup. Anup immediately left पे Anup, Sonali, Shalini, the second third. Shalini, who sits between Solan and Shushmita. Medina. 21, 21, 35, 60, 61, 80, 91, 14, 26, 30, देखते हैं इसको। अच्छा रो टर्म निकालने लग रहा है तो डेफ कैंटीन 14, 42, E, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, O, S, T. कैंटीन 1, 13, 14, 18, C, 24, 24, 50. Glasses are rains, some rains are clouds, some picnics are glasses. Some glasses are clouds, जरूरी है, picnics are rains, जरूरी है। Sitting around a circle facing the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. K sits immediate right of P. Right, K. Sits immediate right of P. Only 2 people sit between P and Q. The Q. Second of the second यहाँ पे R sits immediate right of M. M R अलोन हो सकते हैं। A piece of paper is folded and punched. तो ये 1 2 ठीक है, ये हो सकते हैं, यही होगा। देखेंगे PSNL of S how is the doctor relation of Q doctor P Q का फादर है, Q इसकी डॉटर है, इसकी सिस्टर है, इसका सन है, I is the father of S, P, Q is the daughter of S, R is the sister of T, इसका सन है, ठीक है। Two statements, तीसरे में a biometric machine that records the employees in and out time was installed at the office premises for buildings. 2 cause of an effect है। लेफ्ट घुमा दिया बस 90 डिग्री, ये नहीं है, ये नहीं, ये हो सकता है, ये नहीं है, ये हो सकता है। स्कैल्पल सर्जन एक्सपर्ट कटर स्मूथ बोरिस कटर चिसल लाड़ी लकड़ा तलवार युद्ध तो ये होगा ऐसे 1 2 2 अंदर 4 आएगा। ये नहीं है, एम्बेडेड रोटेशन कर सकते हैं। ये ये ठीक है, ठीक है, ये गलत है, गलत है, ये ठीक है। Summer is hot is good is a D fever and cold is Jahaba. Cold cold summer is to me ba. Winter is cold is ba ja D ja cold is to me ja ja और बा नहीं आएंगे Snakes are found on every continent of the world except Antarctica. These all snakes are poisonous. Except reason is false. Reason false है. Snakes हाँ ठीक है snakes are all snakes are हाँ false reason false है. To maintain the mental health of children, they should be counseled regularly. Yes, mental health is important, especially because at least over the long possibly the time of talking for the history of children time. Regularly. Only one is strong. There are 33 pens in a row. The red pen is 9 from the left hand, 8 red, and the green pen is 21st from the left hand. The P's P, no, 11 P's are there between red and green. Red and green, 11. 144 और 49. 30 को 11 से, 19 को 11 से, 31 को 11 से, 24 को 11 से, 30, 31, 32, 33, 64. ये गलत है. बाद में देख के 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 4, यही बी. केबल क्यू 17 होता है. ठीक है, तो एम क्यू 17, यू 20 का दुगुना 42, आई का दुगुना 18, बी Seven people are sitting in a straight line facing south. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Only two people sit between P and S, and there is a neighbor of S and M. P equal to S. P equal to S, immediate neighbor of S, and sits second left of O. Okay. Second. Y is in the middle of P. How the car sit between P and chair. P तीन छोड़ के T C P का अपोजिट छोड़ के I छोड़ के B का अपोजिट छोड़ के M U का अपोजिट छोड़ के D U का G तो N का अपोजिट छोड़ के M अपोजिट B. इसका क्या नाम है? ओरियन गोल्ड नॉट नॉन four males are sitting on the row facing towards east, row facing towards the face of these males. देखेंगे. How many numbers are there in the box series which are both followed and preceded by prime number? ये 3 6 नहीं है, 6 नहीं है, 9 नहीं है, 4 नहीं है, 3 नहीं है, 4 है, 1 7 नहीं है, 1 हो गया, 3 नहीं है, 2 हो गई, 7 नहीं है, 9 3 हो गई, 7 नहीं है, 9 4 हो गए, 7 नहीं है, 9 5 5 नहीं है, 6 हो गई, 2 नहीं है, 2 नहीं है, 4 नहीं है, 8 नहीं है, 5 नहीं है, 9 नहीं है, 5 नहीं है, 5 नहीं है, 1 7 हो गई, 7 नहीं है, 16 नहीं है, 21 नहीं है, 11 नहीं है, 3 8 11 लगा लेंगे, 9 10 ये वाला बीच में x बीच में 2 3 डिवाइड बीच में 10 बीच में s बीच में 3 बीच में नया वर्ड आएगा, तब है 6 नहीं है, 6 ये होगा, ये भाई इसको इसमें प्लस करेंगे तो आ जाएगा, इसको इसमें प्लस करेंगे, ठीक है, if its volume is multiplication of the given common, given by 27, then what is the height of the frustum of the cone? ठीक है, तो b1 अपॉन में b में 27 में b तो 1/27, तो साइड्स कितनी की रेशियो होगी 1/3, इसकी h और इसकी h अपॉन में 1/3 30 10 20 The present age of English is the present age of his brother Sunil is 17-11 at the present age of his brother, and the ages of his sister is the present age of Sunil's brother Sunil. Sister is brother after 10 years. The ratio of age of Sunil and his brother is तो सुनील प्लस में 10 डिवाइड बाई ब्रदर प्लस में 10 इज टू 11/8 सुनील इज टू 17x, सिस्टर इज टू 13x, तो 17x प्लस में 10 डिवाइड 11x प्लस में 10 इज टू 11/8. What is the age of Sunil's sister after 5 years? तो 13x plus 5 is 9, 36 and 36x plus 18 is to 21x plus 0, 15x is to 30x is to 20 plus 5 31. If x is directly proportional to z and y is to z, x is equal to kz ez, then x square is directly proportional to x square minus y square is equal to k square z square minus a square z square to k square minus c square z square, directly proportional. हाँ सही बात है. z ले लो या 2z ले लो, 2z square minus z square to minus 3z. If if x is inversely proportional to x is equals to k by z and y is inversely proportional to y is equals to k by z, then xy is inversely proportional to z square. xy is equals to k upon z square. सही बात है. True. In a circular transporter, A and B starts at speed at the same time across the same point. After how much time will they meet for the first time at the starting point when they are running in the same direction? तो 400/6 सेकंड में पहली बार मिलेंगे. तो ये पूरा करेगा 40 में, ये 400/16 25 में 40 25 5 8 5 40 200 सेकंड में. And we have 3q minus 2p. 3q 3 sin 4x plus 3 cos 4x minus मैं x को 90 पुट कर देता हूँ. तो p is equals to में 1, q is equals to में 1. 3 minus 1 3 minus 2 कितना हो गया? 45 पुट करके देख लेते हैं. 2 sin 6x 2p 45 2 into 1/2 की पावर 6 तो 3 2 into 1/8 1/4 आ जाएगा. 2 sin 4x 2 into 1/8 2 square 4 1/2 तो p minus 1/2 3/2 हो गया. The selling price of the first article is and the cost price of the second article is. If there is a loss of the first article 470 is equals to 8/10 into CP1. ठीक है, तो CP1 is equals to 4700.8 and profit on the second article तो 470 into 12/10 1.94 74416 564 SP2. then what will the overall profit or percentage? 470 564 plus 413 ये तो है SP. SP 470 64 minus 6056 minus 4.05 ठीक है. 587.5 87.5 तो कटेगा 23.5 CP है. CP ज़्यादा है. 57.5 into 100 4 3.5 20 चलो. हाँ भाई. If PQ are the vertices then the length of median through R से मीडियन और 5 माइनस 8 डी हो जाएगा -6/2 -3 -6/2 माइनस -2 -1 -1 36 7 + 49 36.5 85 185 इतने बड़े बड़े क्वेश्चन हाफिली 1 2 1 2 3 बार कराया है प्लस R 12 से करते हैं 1 2 3 12 39 336 3 1 11/10 का R is equals to 10. What will the amount of the same sum in same time with the same rate of interest annually? 1 2 1/3 into 10 आधा पाँच पॉइंट पाँच गलती करती क्यों है और 10% है तो 5% तो ये 5% क्या दिक्कत आ रही है तो 3 घंटों में डेढ़ एक साल का तो 10% आधे साल का 5% तो 1 तो बढ़िया 2 vertical poles are standing on the side of the street. ठीक है the height of the first pole is 108. The angle of deflection from top of the second and the first pole to the bottom of the first and second poles are the angle of deflection from the top of the second pole ये है 30 ये है 60 second pole 60 x 108 max equals to √3 108 √3 तो h वन 108 √3 equals to by √3 पर आ जाएगा 36 The sum of the lengths of the edges of cube like would have the perimeter of a square. The sum of the length of edges of a cube. क्यूब कितने होती हैं 2 3 4 4 4 8 12 होती हैं 12 equals to make it to half the perimeter of a square 4a equals to 2a 6a equals to a. If the numerical value of the volume of the cube is equal to the volume of the cube e cube is equal to the 1/6 of the numerical value of the area e square by 6 6e cube is equals to a square, 6e cube is equals to 36e square, e is equals to 6 and length of one side of the square 36. The average age of 3 people is इतना है 46, 3, 1, 8, 130 टोटल हो गया. And then join the average reduces to 42 plus x, ठीक है, divided by 4 is equals to 8, 168, x is equals to 30. Now the woman with age 4 years more than the new man replaces one of the first 3 people. Now the woman with age 4 years more than the new man, तो 34 उम्र है, ठीक है, रिप्लेस वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट पीपल 40, तो 168 में 34 माइनस एक्स डिवाइड बाई 4 40 160, ऐसे जगह 42 रिप्लेस 42. A and B start a business with and their efficiency is 7 और 3. They divide their first year profit among their amount, and second year they divide the profit among their efficiency. The first year profit is and the second year profit amount, the difference between these people. मेरा पटेल में 35 इंटू 28 प्लस 7 और 10 इंटू 20 4 5 4 12,000 14,000, तो मतलब एक का 26, एक का 22, 4,000. इसकी वैल्यू 2 0 90 तो रख नहीं सकते. इसको तो साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस कोस स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस 2 साइन थीटा कोस थीटा माइनस 1 इससे कटेगा तो 2 साइन थीटा कोस थीटा इंटू में कोस थीटा ऊपर 2 रहेगा. ए क्यू प्लस बी होगी तो 2 आएगा नीचे. ये है कोस स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस साइन स्क्वायर का होल क्यूब. Speak the truth here, they will contradict each other. 3 by 4 into 1 by 6 plus 1 by 4 into 5 by 6, 3 by 24 plus 5 by 24, 8 by 24, 1 by 3. Then is the value of 1 plus 0 है. ठीक है 6 माइनस 1 बाई एक्स प्लस 7 माइनस 1 बाई वाई प्लस 8 माइनस 1 बाई जेड 13 8 21. A kiosk sells different brand of chips and other stores sales are from selling potato chips, the other sales are from the other chips and wafers. Every quarter the store sales on average are taken to the average monthly sales of potato. Every quarter the store sales on average are monthly, हर क्वार्टर मतलब हर 3 महीने में, तो हो गया 4. सेलिंग मंथली सेलिंग्स ऑफ पोटैटो चिप्स, पोटैटो 70 4 28. That is equal to 1 2 3 पुट कर दें, कर देते हैं. 1 में 1 minus 4 1 minus 9 plus 2 to the 4 8 16 16 4 में 4 minus 1, 4 minus 9, 3 is 9, 81, 81 upon me, 9 minus 1, 9 minus 4, तो हो जाएगा 3 into 8, 24 plus 16 routine में 3 minus 3 into में 5, 15 इसमें 81 divided by 8 into में 5 बटे 24 minus 16 बटे 15 plus 21 routine में 24 125 minus 64 128 plus में 3 243 148 120 21 by 6 1 2 3 1 by 6 14 3 5 15 8 5 24 5 8 243 248 128 0 121 find the mean division data from the mean 5 8 11 6 5 12 10 9 6 5 7 9 13 14 20 25 27 36 42 4 5 6 7 8 आ जाएगा तो माइनस 3 0 3 माइनस 2 3 4 2 1 2 ये डाल देते हैं 3 3 6 8 3 11 15 17 18 20 बटे 9 A certain sum amounts to तो p प्लस में p इंटू में 9 इंटू में 2 5 by 2 इंटू में 100 इज टू में 11730 20 40 p 40 11760 96 4 96 to 6 plus 240 p is equals to 16 simply the same sum for 20 22 into 15 5 into 100 96 66 6 is 36 57 36 57 6 3 36 336 A, B, and C, D are two chords in the center O. AD is diameter. CD, A, B, and C, D are to meet at point P outside the circle. Then R. If APD 25 APD 25 DAP 39 DAP 39 and the measure of CBD CBD AD 90 degree तो ये 60 65 ये 115 इसके बराबर 39 115 39 प्लस 145 154 26 Arjun studied task and left it after working for 2 days. Then Bharat was called and completed the task in 9 days. 2 by A plus 9 by B equals to 1. Arjun had worked for 3 days until next time 3 by A 6 by B equals to 1. ठीक है 2 3 4 by A plus 15 by B equals to 2 9 by A plus 15 by B equals to 3 9 by A minus 3 by A equals to 1 5 The sides AB DC will be cyclic are produced to meet E on the sides to meet F BCD the sides ABDC produced to meet E and ADBC produced to meet F if AF be bound AFB बावन FBE 102 FBE 102 ये होगा 78 ये होगा 102 ठीक है ये होगा 78 एंड व्हाट इज द मेजर BEC ये लिखा हुआ है 78 ये होगा 130 ये होगा 50 ये होगा 50 152 28 A train traveling 60 km meets with an accident and proceeds at 30 miles for speed and arrives at a destination 20 minutes. You can could have 24 km ahead including the 30 minutes late. 60 kilometer 60 kilometer D ट्रेवल कर लिया 60 माइनस डी बटे में 3/4 ऐसे सिस्टम डी प्लस में 2/3 24 किलोमीटर और आ गया प्लस 24 माइनस 24 मतलब 36 माइनस डी 36 माइनस डी 3/4 s is equals to में स्टेज में t plus 1/2 तो 60 minus 2 t plus 2/58 have books of history sections respectively. They want to save the books in such a way that all the books are arranged subject wise and the height of each text is same. Find the total number of texts. March 27 33 43 60 103 AB square plus AC square AP square plus AC square plus A square B plus A square C plus A square C plus B square C plus 3ABC 38 minus A square A ब्रैकेट में 38 minus A square प्लस B ब्रैकेट में 38 minus B square प्लस C ब्रैकेट में 38 minus C square तो माइनस ए क्यू माइनस बी क्यू माइनस सी क्यू प्लस 3abc प्लस 38a प्लस 38b प्लस 38c। तो 38 ब्रैकेट में 6 48 है 228 माइनस में ए क्यू प्लस बी क्यू प्लस सी क्यू माइनस 3ab। तो बेटा पूछ लिया भाई, इसमें ए प्लस बी प्लस सी। तो 38 माइनस में ये जगह 36 इजिकल्स टू में 38 प्लस में 2x 2x इजिकल्स टू में 1 माइनस 1 में जगह 6 37 6 42 से 2 तो 2 6। भाई मेरा तो 6 है, रीचेक नहीं कर सकता मैं, टाइम नहीं है। पाइप से मेक इट फिल टैंक इन if a takes 3 takes more than the tank B। A is to B plus 3 तो 1 by B plus 1 by B plus 3 is to में 3 से 18 20 3 by 20 which 18 2 5 3 2 6 B plus 3 इसमें B 2 B plus में 3 B plus 3 is to 3 by 20 लंबा सफर 40 B plus 60 is to 3 B square plus 9 B 3 B square minus 31 B minus 60 2 into 13 to 3 2 into 10 to 3 12 45 4 5 into 3 into 3 into 2 20 20 15 30 30 6 45 4 6 30 1 2 3 6 9 7 2 3 4 8 11 5 13 6 1 6 into 9 6 into 9 3 5 3 3 5 6 12 15 7 टाइम जो है 7 24 पर 8 19 9 18 21 21 में 9 3 7 कैंसिल हो गई। plus 16 is to 3 b square plus 9 b square 16 13 to 2 13 10 29 12 15 ये वाले देखेंगे। Seven 1 7 4 7 9 0 is 35 61 80 91 14 26 30 127 161 70 डेफ इस 123, कैन 45, 3 मई 13, 39, 6, 4, 1, 6, 20, 120, 4, 5, 20 और 20। दो 5 1 11 110 प्रैक्टिस करी है। 4 36 50। भाई ये लग रहा है मेरे को तो ठीक है। 14 18 प्लस माइनस 16 इंटू में 14 माइनस 2 प्लस में 18 डिवाइड बाई 3 29। ये तो आएगा नहीं। 14 18 प्लस मल्टीप्लाई 14 प्लस 18 सॉरी 16 प्लस 14 मल्टीप्लाई 2 माइनस में 18 डिवाइड बाई 3 28 और 16 44 ये आएगा। सुरक्षा से कुल्हाड़ी लकड़हारा तलवार योद्धा शिल्पकार छेनी स्कल्पटर चिसल स्केलपल सर्जन एक्स वुडकटर स्वॉर्ड वॉरियर। ये इनसे दो दो बाहर दो अंदर ये रीजन के लेते हैं फटाफट। 57 प्लस 52 56 62 72 क्या करना है 106 57 35 1 2 4 92 62 4 9 22 72 ये भी मुश्किल लग रहा है। Q का 17 U का 42 I का 18 B का 22 का भी करते हैं इन्हें 20 I का 20 I का 9 ठीक है एन 13 लास्ट में 12 आएगा फिर 8 आएगा 8 और ये है तो गोल्ड हो गया। रिनो ओरिन आयरन हाँ वो आयरन हो गया ठीक है। ये कॉपर हो गया तो ये बच गया डाना नाड देखते हैं भाई। 4 मेल्स आर रिपीटिंग इन द वेस्ट देख रहे हैं। 1 2 3 4 4 फीमेल्स फेसिंग टुवर्ड्स द फेस ऑफ दिस मेल्स। 1 2 3 4 F4 is the immediate right of F3, तो F3 F4 one female is sitting between F2 and F3, तो यहाँ F2 one female is sitting between F2 and F3 dash F2 तो हो नहीं सकता, ठीक है। तो ये F1 M is diagonally opposite to F2 M3 only one person sits right of M1 facing west right of M1 to M1 M2 is second to the right of M4 right? M2 is second to the right of M4 wait towards the face of this means F4 is immediate right of F3, ठीक है। वन फीमेल इज सिटिंग बिटवीन F2 and F3, ठीक है। F3 F4 F1 F2 तो M3 only one person to right of M1 तो M1 M2 is second to M4 M2 ठीक है। M4 is facing F3, ठीक है। F4 is facing the person sitting third to the left of M2 third F4 सही है, तो दोनों ठीक है। माइनस प्लस 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 ये हो गया 50, ये मैथ की रहेगी, ये देख लेते हैं। Event report to that is T brand A brand B roasting rupees 15 to refill mix the mix so then he sold the mixture at rupees 20 per 100 gram, ठीक है। मेकिंग a profit of piece 20 is equal to my 12 to 10 into my CP is to my CP ratio of the brand 6 तो 40 रुपये 200 ग्राम की 200 ग्राम 33 रुपये 30 36 2 3 3 2 5 2 5 2 She is so in her beliefs that no one can change her mind. Ghost, adamant, B तो आएगा, resolute B और C. My friend said to me, "Have you completed your project?" My friend asked me whether I had said to me, asked me that. Asked me whether I had all 3 words: deny, rejection, refusal, approval. बंद कर देते हैं। In the given question, 4 words are given after which one word is complete. Select the correct list. Ricochet, ricochet, ricochet. Some people could write well, while others didn't. Is that? You should weigh all the pros and cons before accepting his offer. Both hands. Correct. The doctor advised you should get regular checkups. The doctor advised that I should get regular checkups. Cold today. Stop working on something. Studying a job. After having gone to the study non-stop for 23 hours. Cold today last week. Indira Gandhi had already established her credentials. Purmal has given a challenging assignment to the newly admitted students. A challenging assignment has been given. Radhi exclaimed with sorrow that life had become wretched. What a sad life will become. Alas, how wretched life will become. ST represented deliberate compulsive quick immediate deliberate है. Antonym hasty rapid urgent. Immediate तो सीधे में quick भी impulsive इसी में. Longs. Correct meaning of the phrase. He is really good. He is an Iron Man. He is a man strong as well. He is a man. ये तो आएगा नहीं, तो सी आएगा. The grandfather was tested for trying to lodge his grandson. सी तो आएगा नहीं, तो trying to embed his B into better. The match was postponed, put off. Third sentence. अरे बैंकिंग के क्यों पूछ रहा हूँ? ठीक है. The stories of great literary publishers are being translated in other languages. They are translating. He prefers coffee to tea. सही है, no problem. Read the following phrase. Each containing a word highlighted in the board, determine which currently is highlighted word not to the answer. Life vicissitudes teaches resilience. ठीक है. The paintings supplying beauty left the views in home. B भी ठीक है. He's a test in the building. C भी ठीक है. D. The teacher's sententious remarks made the lesson dull. E. The atmosphere at the wedding was reclusive and joyful. रिक्लूज तो वो होता है, रिक्लूज तो बुरा होता है. भी नहीं आएगा. D. That is a sententious remarks. Sententious. Grammatically correct. Lata and her brother have come to buy a car. ठीक है. Lata along with her brother. Have नहीं आएगा, has आएगा. B गलत है. Lata along with her brother has come to buy a car. Has come to see. ठीक है. A, C, D देखना. Both Lata as well as her brother. Lata as well as brother has come to buy. D गलत है. A और C. He took endurance at the reports playing questions. The coach was animated of the team's poor performance. B ठीक है. The child's guileless nature made him endearing. She had a predilection for classical music. D भी ठीक है. The research study, which spans over ये गलत लग रहा है भाई. Despite the heavy rains, the match continued well past midnight. ये ठीक है. It's critical for organization to adapt timely and rapidly changing market. It's critical for organization to adapt timely and rapidly. C ठीक है. The famous novelist known for his elaborate writing style, releasing his novel next month. D गलत है. यही आएगा. Hubris can result in a person to becoming गलत है. Hubris can result in a person becoming overly reckless, superior to collective memory is a partial and imperfect repository of our encounters with another through time. We are not good at. ये बंद तो आएगा नहीं. We are not good at recalling, let alone acknowledging. Not at. दो अंतर दोनों हो सकते हैं. बंद तो आएगा नहीं. We are not good at remembering, let alone acknowledging. Globalization theorists follow the socialization use the term globalization to describe how local cultures टू नहीं आएगा. just वन नहीं आएगा. तीसरी केस में workers attention sedimenting world culture production the collective conscious to the point of disappearance. The point of understanding. And so the global becomes local, the function of the render great. So the silent reproduction of history resolution of the inheritance is a population of patient and is executing resilience to translate naturally eager 3 तो आएगा नहीं naturally inclined naturally disposed The disease in the environment is a major conclusion determinant of economic model mechanism. While advancements in medical science can control public health to an extent and contribute to economic prosperity, mental well-being with which physical fitness is strongly associated at times beyond medical treatment. Advancements. The school of yoga tries to reflect the school of yoga tries to reflect on this life and contemplate asana postures can only step one bill is only in Nagaland. We got 3 per cut covered and we cut 4 long cream saga D cut 2 B का chapter cut B का 4 Justice Party nothing because Congress equaling it to government organization. It came the same point. The velocity of money is always directly proportional to GDP. The barter system was written to the problem of the political business. ठीक है, checks are considered consideration not legal tenders. ये भी ठीक है. Only cost and expensive policy distribution. ये भी ठीक है. The Indian Minister दर्शन चक्र. State स्वावलंबन शक्ति. So is correct on the right business से गलत. सोवियत यूनियन ठीक है. DPSP पार्ट 2 गलत है. नोबल फीचर ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन सोवियत यूनियन से ना. DPSP तो आयरिश कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन से लिया है. DPSP स्टेट पॉलिसी द पॉलिसी regarding birth स्कीम प्रोवाइड फ्री कवर इंडिया. गलत है. 1 गलत है. एक्सपेक्टेड इनकम 2 1 ठीक है. पीपल होगा अच्छी चीज एलिजिबल. ये भी गलत है। Special kind of carbohydrate present in grass which can be present in humus, cellulose. Which indicates the dense solar population with its largest installed capacity. Gujarat. मेरे को तो गुजरात लग रहा है भाई, ये पता। It is a folk dance performed by women in western parts of India. It is special process of घाघरा. Carrying other roads and the selections होता है, और तो गरबा नहीं है। घूमर, खलबेली है। Other one women they perform carriers and pots and dance with. Abiotic component of the ecosystem. Animal. Which of the following statements about the second Asian Yoga Sun Championship is incorrect? Feather is dropped on the moon from height of 3 meters. The acceleration of gravity on the moon is 6 meters per second. To fall to the surface of the moon. B का 2, E का 3, A का 3 है तो B का 2, C का 1, D का 4. Standard characteristic of soil generate. The soil types in India one thing common, they are diffusion nitrogen. The boundary is in fresh flood. अगर खादर होती है। ब्लैक से सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट सोइल टाइप इज विद रिस्पेक्ट टू परसेंटेज, ये भी गलत है, ये भी गलत है। म्यूजिकल और कॉमेडी, एमिलिया पेरिस। The following award for the performance is Mushar Comedy Singer Padmashri. Mushar. Next list one. Kilimanjaro, Africa. Kafur, Vinson Massif, Mount Kosciuszko, Concagua. The open network for digital commerce creators will choose it as including the advertising comes in the open network for digital commerce. Retail penetration. The following books is one world in the world. Which hairpin-like structure serves to anchor and stabilize the tick's mouth part of source coin. केमिस्ट्री लिटरेचर मुस्लिम पार्लियामेंट इंडिया। गलत गलत। रेन ऑफ चरका। पुष्यमित्र हरियांक बिबिसार कनिष्क। पुष्यमित्र सुंग हरियांक। पुष्यमित्र सुंग 279 तो जीएसटी का है। 279 है 276। यही होगा। विच शाह आलम as per the treaty of the was of the Eastern Police protection which he declined, he should finalize in Bengal. Chinese on the point and development failure revenue by transgression areas show interest to repair the gap accepting a new LSC. General exchange for location is social agreement. प्रैक्टिकल नहीं है, रिफ्लेक्टिव है, एनालिटिकल भी नहीं है, परसुएसिव भी नहीं है, प्रैक्टिकल लग रहा है मेरे को। ये गलत है, ये से ठीक है। ये गलत है, in Imperial China, merchants occupied a low place in the social hierarchy, ranked below farmers. Yet many made a reputation not only through commerce but also through. In modern community, returns are not mandatory. They are a voluntary decision made by firms' leadership to return value to its owners. Let the following children to decide their sequence to make a meaningful passage and then answer the question below the sequence. We should plan our leisure carefully. Two, one. We should plan our leisures carefully. We should choose some interesting and useful activities. ठीक है. लास्ट में 5 आएगा. We should choose some interesting and useful activities. The activity we choose should make us happy. 2, 1. It should increase our confidence. 3. We should then work at it during our leisure. 4, 5. 2, 1, 3, 4, 5. Third sentence. Third तो 3 है. Hit the following sequence, 3 sequence to make a meaningful page. Then the sequence is start from Q. We should plan our leisure carefully. तीन तो आएगा नहीं फर्स्ट पे, 4 भी नहीं आएगा, 5 लास्ट में आएगा. एक या दो में से. We should choose some interesting and useful activities. 2 आ गया पहले पे. It should increase our confidence. We should then work at it during our leisure. Should. एक के बाद 3 आएगा. Should then work at it during our leisure. We should choose some interesting and useful activities. We should then work at it during our leisure, which should make us happy. 2, 1, 3. देखते हैं इसका. E and F. Monosodam is the largest of all the Indus cities. It has various important features. वाली साइड ये आएगा लास्ट में, यही हो गया। In the largest city of all the cities, its floors made of built its floors ये सी नहीं आएगा, बी के बाद सी आएगा। बी लग रहा है। The largest of all Indian cities, the Great Vatamadi is the most important public place. It has various important features. The great it is for its beautiful brickwork. Its floor is made of Modular is the largest of all the Indus cities. It has various important features. सिटी की फीचर्स थोड़ी होती है, ग्रेट बात की फीचर होती है। Great Vatamadi is the most important public place. The great it's for beautiful brickwork. Its floor is made of red bricks and Egyptian mortar. When a satellite is launched, the rocket begins by going slowly upwards through the air. As the rocket goes higher, it travels faster. Q से start होगा. For that, QRS. As the rocket goes higher, it travels faster. However, the higher it goes, the less air it meets. For that, the atmosphere becomes thinner. QPR there is less friction. As the rocket goes higher, it travels faster. However, the higher it meets, there is less friction. For that, she is aghast when she is adamant in her beliefs. She is resolute in her beliefs. Some people could write well while others see में दिक्कत है, others can't. couldn't आएगा. You should weigh all the pros and cons before accepting this offer. A और C तो आएगा नहीं. You should weigh all the advantages before accepting. You should weigh all the disadvantages. You should weigh all the for and against. Antonym of all the three. Hasty, the hasty is led to the person. Rapid response, third made, immediate, quick, impulsive, deliberate. The grandfather was arrested for trying to embed his grandson, trying to lodge his grandson. C तो नहीं लग रहा. But the less vicissitudes teaches resilience. ठीक है, ये तो आएगा. The painting sublime beauty left the views in O. B भी ठीक है. His atavistic instinct emerged in the wilderness. सी भी होएगा फिर तो डी या ई में से. The teacher's sententious sentence remarks made the lesson dull. डी भी ठीक लग रहा है. The atmosphere at the wedding was reclusive. ई नहीं है ठीक, तो ये लग रहा है मेरे को. Lata and her brother have come to buy a car. And her brother have come to buy a ठीक है. Lata along with her brother have come. गलत है. Lata along with her brother has come to buy a car. C ठीक है. Both Lata as well as her brother has come. D गलत है, तो यही बचा. He took endurance at the spring questions. The coach was animated after the team's poor performance. B ठीक लग रहा है. The child's guileless nature made him endearing. He had a predilection. 4 नहीं आएगा, predilection 2 आएगा शायद. The coach was animated after the team's poor performance. B तो ठीक है ही. He took endurance. He took endurance. ये तो है नहीं ऑप्शन. दोबारा देखेंगे इसको. The research study explains over results in the. गलत लग रहा है तो. Despite the evidence, the mass contributed to well past midnight. भी ठीक लग रहा है. It's critical for them to adapt timely and rapidly changing the see if the famous model. D तो है ही नहीं. Including memories, question, we are not good at. We are not good at remembering the ways. We are not good at recalling the ways. तकड़ी को से बना रखे हैं. D is regression of the rebuilt building makers of culture and extinction. Sediment in borrowed cultural products the collective consciousness to the point of disappearance, understanding misrecognition. Evidence appreciate the incident global efficient damage its own. Excavating the sediments or conditions left in the collective consciousness is not a task that we are naturally. 3 तो आएगा नहीं. We are naturally disposed to perform. Naturally inclined. A का 3. B का 2. B का 4 कट. कुट. सागदावा. नोंग्रीम नृत्य महोत्सव. नोंग्रीम. नहीं पता भाई. कैरेक्टरिस्टिक नो फीचर दिया गलत है। DPSP ये गलत है, ठीक है। पीपल ऑफ द प्राइवेटली परचेज विल नॉट विलेज हो रहा है इसमें, गलत है। ओनली वन सोलर कर्नाटक नहीं आएगा, राजस्थान लीडर है सोलर पावर जनरेशन। तमिलनाडु तो विंड एनर्जी में है, मेरे को तो गुजरात ही लग रहा है भाई, ये भी नहीं करते हैं। घाघरा कालबेलिया तो नहीं होगा, घाघरा में करते हैं क्या? घाघरा चोली गरबा घाघरा में करते हैं। अर्तन फूड्स तो गरबा तो नहीं होगा, अर्तन फूड्स। घूमर छोड़, बंगाली सनसेट, बंगाल में खातर होती है। परसेंटेज गलत है, फ्लेक्सिबल नहीं है। चरक बिंबिसार कनिष्क पुष्यमित्र तो फिलोसफी चरक छोड़, नहीं पता। ये भी 79 ही लग रहा है भाई। He was offered the East India Company's protection which he declined. Treaty of Allahabad. दूसरा तो ठीक लग रहा है, शाह आलम 2, दोनों ठीक लग रहे हैं। तीन मीटर की हाइट है, एक्सेलरेशन 6 है। The grandmother was arrested for trying to embed Helios in the prison and Lodge a bit more. A bit ये लग रहा है, छोड़ कर देते हैं। Shared position for the choice D नहीं आएगा, आपको चूज एनिमेटेड एबिलिटीज बी आएगा. द चाइल्ड काइंडनेस नेचर मेड हिम एंडियरिंग. ई भी तो है ही नहीं. शी हैड ए प्रीडिलेक्शन टू प्रेफरेंस फॉर. Mohenjo-daro is the largest of all the Indus cities. It has various important features. सिटीज़ के फीचर थोड़ा ना होंगे. फीचर के तो प्लेस के होंगे. यही दिख रहा है. चल ये दिमाग खराब करना. Exercise settlements are left in the collective is not a task that we are naturally inclined. We are naturally inclined to perform. Naturally disposed to perform. Naturally inclined to perform. Naturally is not a task that we are naturally inclined to perform, but the task that we are naturally disposed. Naturally inclined to perform this task. Naturally inclined to perform. करते देखी जाएगी. The disease is the environment is a major 3. This the school of yoga tries to contemplate on this aspect directly. Tries to reflect on this aspect. Reflect. You should reflect, contemplate. You should reflect on this aspect. You should contemplate. छोड़ ये भी नहीं करते. We should plan our leisure carefully. Leisure, the activity we choose should make us happy. We should choose some interesting and useful activities. So we should then work at it during our leisure. And the activity we choose should make us happy. It should increase our confidence. That is the way of being. Acceleration 6 है. देखी जाएगी. हाइपरलिंक कंट्रोल की is not part of CPU card. Fourth generation transistors. Not just unit. GP, TP. नहीं पता. System is catching a user to tell that and if we use सी तो गलत है. बी ठीक है. ये भी ठीक है. गलत है, यही गलत है मेरे अकॉर्डिंग तो. फाइल ट्रांसफर प्रोटोकॉल. प्राइमरी मेमोरी रैम. इथरनेट फाइबर ऑप्टिक्स. वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क. ये ट्रू बी फॉल्स. मल्टीटास्किंग, हाँ ये भी ट्रू बी भी ट्रू. लार्जर टू स्मॉलर तो ये आएगा लास्ट में. बी ए आएगा लास्ट में. जेड ऑप्टा नहीं पता. रिलेशन एट्रीब्यूट. Type schema, type and attribute, which device is to belong to the traffic directing. 280 तो आने चाहिए भाई. टू 278 ठीक है. हाँ 27 नंबर कम. 278 में 97% है. पहले सेक्शन में 2 ही गलत है. ठीक है. मैथ का गलत हो गया. -6 है क्या. अरे और सारा कर करा के ठाकुर. -6 इसमें नहीं है क्या. अच्छा राइट साइड है. यो है तो बट ठीक है कोई नहीं. इंग्लिश में सिर्फ 4 गलत हैं. मौज करती। करेक्ट। तो फेमस नॉलेज नॉन फॉर डी तो आएगा नहीं भाई, डी तो आएगा नहीं, बी और सी तो ए और बी। इट्स क्रिटिकल टू अडेप्ट टाइमली। सी में क्या गलती है? टू अडेप्ट टाइमली बिकॉज टाइमली इज एन एडजेक्टिव नीड्स टू मॉडिफाई नाउन इन अ टाइमली मैनर। ले ये करेगा वही ने। सिटी के फीचर्स थोड़ा होते हैं, फीचर्स सिटी के फीचर्स कब से होने लग गए? ये भी समझ गया था मैं, कोई बात नहीं। डिसअपीयरेंस, मिसकम्युनिकेशन, अंडरस्टैंडिंग। डी में these recreations are then redeployed as new markers for cultural class distinction, sedimenting borrowed cultural products in the collective consciousness to the point of disappearance. 3 नहीं आएगा, 1 and 2, only 1 misrecognition। ठीक है। राजस्थान, अरे भाई ये तुक्का मारा था। only 2। कोई नहीं, ठीक है। इस हिसाब से कंप्यूटर में 2 गलत हैं, 33 तो 31 नंबर आ गए। ट्रांजिस्टर बाई चिप, वेरी लार्ज इंटीग्रेटेड स्कीमा टेबल। ठीक है भाई, ओके है। सेक्शन 1 में मैथ के 2-3 क्वेश्चन और कर सकता था मैं, तो ठीक है। 97% ओके है।